Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Snow Joke by Bruce Degen. Please enjoy. Snow Joke. Snow. Hey, who threw that? That's not funny, said Bunny. It's just a joke, said Red. Let's make a snowman. That's not funny, said Bunny. It's just a joke, said Red. Let's make snow angels. That's not funny, said Bunny. It's just a joke, said Red. Let's go sledding. That's not funny.
I want to introduce my clients to new ideas they didn't even know they loved.
It's just a joke, said Red. Let's skate.
We have about 6 weeks, I think, from start to finish. We're used to high stakes and a really tight timeline, but this helped in particular. Obviously, we endured. Alex and Betty wanted to make sure that they have everything that they deserve.
Red sped. Red pushed.
Oh my God.
Red felled. Wow. It's a good joke, said Bunny.
We've done a lot of reveals together, and the part that I'll probably never do an adequate job is when it feels like to open the door.
It's not funny, said Red.
Their eyes light up and walking in and saying, "You heard me. You know what I was saying."
Everyone went to Bunny's house, but where was Red?
Nothing better. It is the rush of all rush.
Red was on the step.
Their eyes are closed.
Have some cocoa, said Bunny.
And they step into the next chapter. It's an honor to be a part of that. One thing that I just want to show you.
Then Red told a really good joke, and everyone liked it. I guess the joke fell down Red. He was skating, huh? He didn't like falling, huh? And the joke was on him. How many of you backfired on the joke and the joke fell on you? Let me know with a thumbs up. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? Hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell whenever I upload a book reading, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.
Well, look at your little